Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to export certain pages from Word to PDF. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to export certain pages from Word to PDF. Click the page and go to the File menu. Then click the Save As option. Then go to Browse to select our file destination. Then rename the file. Now I rename this file. Then click Save As Type and select the PDF. Then click Save and wait some moment to save this Word document to PDF. Now we go to our file location and check the PDF file. Now we can see we export certain page from Word to PDF very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.